This is my mate Sam. He's from Surf Street Cafe in Emerald Beach. What's up, Sam?
Not much, Jimmy. What are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to figure out how to make an espresso martini. Can you show me?
You're at the right spot.
I've never made one in my whole life. Can you teach me?
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Hey guys, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to the Artisti YouTube channel, where we guide you through all things coffee. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so don't miss out on any future videos. Today we've got a really interesting video for you because we've got Sam here from Surf Street Cafe in Emerald Beach. Say hi to our community, Sam.
Hey guys.
Sam manages this amazing cafe in Emerald Beach. How long have you been doing this for, Sam?
What's it been, 6 years now, Jimmy?
Yeah.
6 years or so, yeah.
Sam uses our coffee in his cafe day to day, and we are here to mix it up. Sam's going to teach me. I've never made an espresso martini in my life.
Time you learned, bro.
Time I learned.
All right,
so let's do it. What do we need? What ingredients do we need to make a good...
First thing, you need a nice double espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine, there are ways around it, which we'll get to in later videos. But I'm using the Champ at the cafe. We're going to use that today for our espresso. We're going to use some vodka, Kahlua, and Frangelico because I like a nice, simple martini at home. And the Frangelico gives it a little bit of hazelnut flavor, which just tops it off.
Anything I should know? Any hot tips for this drink?
Bro, you want to shake this thing like you mean it when it comes time, yeah? Make sure your espresso's fresh and make sure you put your spirits in before because I like lots of ice. Overdo the ice. And if you put a hot double espresso on that ice is going to be melted by the time you pour these out, yeah? So, first thing, we got our lots of ice. Lots of ice. Key points. We're going to get 1 nip or 30 mils of vodka. We're going to get 30 mils of Kahlua. And we're going to add about 15 mils, depending on your preference, of the hazelnut liqueur. You can also add butterscotch snaps, you can add Baileys, there's a million different variations. It comes down to your taste and how experimental you want to be with it. But this is what I like.
Cool. Need some coffee?
We need some coffee, bro.
I'll get you a shot.
Yeah. Jimmy, how's that coffee, bro? Double espresso! You there, Jimmy?
Yeah, mate. Oh, double shot.
Bang. So we got our spirits. We got lots of ice. Here's this double espresso in on top. And when I say shake like you mean it, you got to shake this thing hard. You want this thing frosty, yeah? There you go there, Jimmy.
Good, man. I'm good.
Bit noisy in here, bro. And there's that frost. Lots of frost. Nice. Time to pour.
Looks good.
All right, Jimmy, you ready on the garnish?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. I reckon this one's yours, bro.
Yeah, is that mine?
I reckon that's
Beautiful.
yours.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Yeah, that's real good. That's real good. Nice work, man. Nice work. Appreciate it. Thanks heaps for joining me. It's been lots of fun. You've had fun?
I've had fun, bro.
Yeah, man.
My pleasure.
Yeah, let's do it again soon.
Yeah, totally,
Guys,
yeah.
I hope that you've learned something and we've got you making espresso martinis at home or up in your game in your restaurants. Be sure to put in the comments below your favorite recipes for espresso martinis and let us know if you've made this one and what you thought of it. So be sure to also subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell icon so don't miss out on future videos. Thanks, Sam.
No worries, Jimmy. See you next time.